For Happy New Year, my lovely people all over the world. This is your girl, Jessie Williams Talk Show. How you guys doing? They pay the enemy that they see me so. And I'm in there here now. Why no pay now? Jessie Williams. A day can't be Epa Eddie, Monicalobolobo, everywhere here. Jessie Williams is not God. Jessie Williams is not God. Jessie Williams, so he entered 2025. He entered, we not die. Wow, would die. What you want by me? What you want by me? Where me I go buy? Nothing go fit by me now. I dey can't be Garrett. Now me day here. I dey can't be. So my wonderful people, my amazing people. We are going to talk about ego. You understand? We do our enemy rich like that. So stay now. Call they come be to their fellow how many social media people. Let me put it that way. I don't know. Ya get west sister. Olokugboloti, ugbolokogoleti, ugbolokogoleti. Ya get west brother. Ugbolokogoleti, ugbolokogoleti. Ya get west sister. Ugbolokogoleti. Oh my dog queen, I greet you, my sweetheart, my love, my everything. That is why I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. Yeah, this is me. Hey, you want color, you want try bolo hairstyle, you want try. Thank you much, everyone. So we're going to talk about ego and Frank Victor today. I better now share. My wonderful people. Na him. This video don't do a short video. My God, they are so. I don't say anything like this. We are recording video boy. They are say I don't feel do video. You understand? So as far as say, you want people when they come greet us, you want follow them. You understand? So I just make a quick rush do this video before my guy in the house. You understand? So all this kind of thing, you just get time. You understand? So I don't want to come meet me for inside. I will work with do one sharp. So if you don't come out before I come begin the talk as it be. So caller, continue the call them. They give them my name. They give them my papa name. They give them my children name. They give them it continue every day. You know, so I say wait you get it? So that means they talk, that means they young. So my wonderful people, una do well. Here go and from Victor, a very short video to una, two of una. You understand? Two of una want to very short. Maybe if my organ don't come out, I can't get time sit down, I can't take young. Oh, I greet you, my sweethearts. Joyce must say, my darling, happy new year to you. Thank you. So, a very short video to Frank Victor and I go put glass so me for the sit down. If I near camera, I go to see and where you get it. So now make me go do this glass. You understand? It's the day I can't man out dans les bergers. It's the day I can't man out dans les bergers. I will be a cackle make the decade. Yeah, I go for the day. My they say I have quarter of a day. When the day you make car, when the day. So that is it. So my wonderful people, my lovely, amazing people. As I put this glass, so I just see all of now. Where? So, so all the moment I just say, what you write? As I put, I'm going to see what you now write. Mama, good evening, let's us mega saga. I greet you, my darling. Thank you for your support. Oh, my beautiful mother, Ila. Iyo done mose. Iyo done we agbana. Iyo done we swag. Iyo done go give at the right time. Iyo done. O tu ya so wala dia za mo video na kia la wa. Yeti. The way we social media wa toni mu. O da fo e wa gbe o. Ari ka te ka gi ore mo do. O da fo e wa gbe o. O wa I want the let's see I the book a book so get in your man le our Tony Moon. Oh that way bell. So as I guess it's a very short video. So this video let me go to Franvito first. Franvito. So let me go to you first. Uladian do analyze even ya Duduvaga go here. Do you understand? Franvito mesoge kwe amuwe. Do you understand? Let's be let not be pasia pacha, I don't know. So Ex-Godmother na temata. Franvito, when I do describe Beoko water. Franvito, and let me quickly go to this area. A quinto show. You remember where Umwebog a quinto show again? A quinto show 7 where Duduvaga go. Una ye bo, una muge quinto show. Una le quinto show don't fe bo. Mother one ye kwe bola them social media. Ah, ohungwa to me. One ye kwe ya ve bo social media. Ohungwa to me. You understand? Una the bebo, una the get quit touching when I wear Duduvaga ye go. You understand? Duduvaga who are getting a friend DJ go, like what time away. Who friend DJ go, my friend DJ go, me at here where I ye go. You understand? So for instance, they quit touching when you have a body draw. Give your bonjour, I got a bola like Bekus. You understand? A friend forget about friendly. I'm a shop and claim matter. Mommy where. Why the friend that is a boyfriend that girlfriend that can't wait friends, you know? Oh, la yeah. Go on, my wife, nothing do you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So that is it. What the social media. Why are you why when they disgrace here like be? I want look na. Let me ball at the social media. My sister, my brother, always from Franvito na she made ya one bun ye kwe ya boy ye kwe ya fe boy. Shame on you guys. You understand? And you kwe no what because we are told me. Oh no weapon no re we to me ga we me ya we one wa ogwe ebo egbe ota ebo ota he kole wa mi amia agmu wa ma say 50 wa ma say 60 wa ma say 70. You understand why ye boy aku wa fi were life wa say. You understand? So what ye bebo una dey get quit show. If you remember in this social media from Victor, what ye bebo? Okay, I remember. Okay, when Duduvaga ije go, when are ye bebo una dey get quit show. You understand? Okonoro what for that matter. Where lads ya una be vebo, they get no wa be ije no re Epa ya sunu. Una vebo, e get na you know wo ka do no wo ga e wo kono go do da. Then when I ije go or rogodo. Franvito, you cannot say it because ije go time and we time and we ije go gear we ga here Roma kenota fo enje nu ya we passport. Then when I ije go water fo enje ro. When I ije go lo ebe when I nije go when I so am nije go enwe when I so am nije go tatata wa ije go ya kma duju obo uma o ije go ki o mane una ria no na de fi avie una ga pe una ga wo lo then when I maybe na kanana where we ere go be kino wan ije go be kino wan ije go ya me gbe na se ki ye ba when I did when I ya when I ya fi ye ga piko when I ga la lo when I ga nwie when I ga nwie when I ga ije go ga gba me kwa Franvito, ohemi mamu oko no rogoto ugwero egwe na ugwe nie na ugwe nwie na be na nwie ipeti na ya lu momenti umale mu a eye egbe ma we sa nu be to sawa okwere me wa nwie be ni ana Franvito na rije golo una ga nwie go una ga lue una ga nwie ije go ga gba me kwa ola ga hie kwa according to you ugwo ga hie ame ugwo ga hie ame ugwa me na oji ugwo ga oji ugwa me ni data we peta jo data we na me eziko kwa no ugwo te wa se hie short up bo oba wa jo we gbe na ga me no ro be Nigeria Franvito ni we na go ko ni go ro Franvito when I ere go or like you well love you well your time na una mo re gore wana gbe ekia wa wi je go wana gbe go ekia okono rogoto una ga ni ibi gbo wa ta wi gbo wa ibi gbo wa ewe bo na iwe mi mo bi ane cause maybe ya ga be my gwen tidy ma o yet we me let me gwen kwa cut to doni for. You understand? So if you go magwa you understand? If you go magwa when I'm gonna go ije gore when I mean ije go nwen enwe ije go ya bi omo no kekele no tin we when I'm unu when I ga nwen o hama we mu we ehi egbe masa when they don't win na from Victor that's your winner. That's your winner. Igo guhe oga gbejua o. When we je go work no wa we say na. When we je go kino wa say na, ije go no work egbenu we. When na ti hiye. When na ga voe we na voedi. Una ga voe na voedi. From Victor wa jo we na dia. Una ga voe na voe e ready. Uije go we fie kia jo. Ugugi wa fujo no popo. Ono ji. What he expects? Obi oka kere working. Obi oka kere e working. Venu be ya fie mi ere go gi setting fie mi be yo. Franvito magi je ere go mi ko na ya usota. Franvito magi ere go mi. O magi ere go mi je go ya usota. Franvito wa mini je go e pifio pake kalori kenon te lele go se ivi. Franvito na mine ya. Ona mine ya. Franvito u mini je go enwe kwa Franvito. Hell, Baba, let's see your winner. Franvito, what did you want to do? Franvito, when I'm your work, be now adulterous women was social media. When now, Wakumega video na wala go. When now, when I did the mini, Ijego, when I got mini Jego, when I got mini Jego, when I got been adulterous. We go for the live video. Who we message to adulterous women who we have figure can share with the salobwa. A message to adulterous women. We never me go konoro godo. Who is a local, who is a la so te lalo we. E lalo luya la le go ije go avien on a berege kia. Baba, Franvito, we talk about my la go. Why has done Ijego? Ijego, iye ngweka toy Franvito, why has done Ijego? Ijego jejo, omajo, why has done Ijego? Ne kire gore mi na with the be ate. If you wa mi when waka wo big boy on we gon me, iya wa mi okay no big boy mi. Uke ya done nerego mi na with the be ne kire go mi na with the be. What da go Franvito? Uke ya we. Okay, ya set you very bon. Franvito, what is the boy you awokuta? Nurio boy awi henuyi. Nurio boy awi sango ne bawe. Nurio boy awo lokun ni jomo. Nou vin or awo eziza. Nou makbe, nou vin, nou we aramie we umagane wije gorogodo. Uke vaje go eje go gile yuto. Weke li ave le akarije go. Who were my wije gorogodo. Franvito, we tell me pama tu kian ya make sure why azo no ko na no ya do le gbodo eji. Why azo le je go no been adulterous. Franvito, anybody now fighting with the matter now, don't reply there because adulterous man okay. Adulterous man, heavy adulterous man okay. Ngwe ya ti lo ye kije go. This is we are going why ya to see ya, why ya chasing ya, why ya mu ya, why ya spinning ya, why ya excusing ya, why ya tossing ya, why ya talking ya hair. How did you talk then? You told them, baby, I love you? Or you tell them, how do you do? Or you, how? Can you describe it to the social media? We want to hear. Baby, ya mu ya Franvito, la go go. Do you understand? Obialo wane my brother. You cannot escape it. That is what the Bible said. You cannot escape it. Or walk away in your manner setting the way I repay. That is it. In your manner setting way or walking way in your jack toy. Do you understand? That is it. A Bible tege a day. Okun when go godo. When one are you mwa you could rob the belly. Wa feel where no matin no. Do you understand? No matin no. Only a problem. Okwonania Uyodo ebire ugbe ebi ogun we fa bia mo bi agbon ugbo pa ni wo won pa bi re gi me Akmo yejenia, nuwe wa gbe ni nia. Oni no wa gbe no kodoku no ro, no gbo no ke no ro, o mase no wa gbo toto o wa enwe gide de hiro ye ya gide ge. Because so we are now wa dege like no ho sati ye. Hemi no gbe from Victor. We met the way I feel, we got no ye go. What did you feel? We got to do ye go, we just go rakara no way. What did you feel about that man go? What did you feel? Is it because people think that man is not from Benin? That's why you do that thing to her, to him? What did you feel? Who know ye go? Who na zol ye go? Who na ritmia boyo? Who na riamejo? Who na riogwejo? Who na munujo? Who na muiwerwe? What did you feel, Frank Victor? What did you feel? What feel? Uma consider ne go. We imagine neje go where okay, according to you, we ije go ga sawe or ere go ga say ye kwa say ere go say la nyere ni ga say boy ere go nyere. We na wa titi we na wa me gbori oni, we na me menti we na ya mwakon, we na ya mwame we na wa ye go we na wa leje go na wa olowa gba me kwa ji when I me so from Victor woni gbe wo da me na yin be rio okwere emo lo ye bezi o ko to kwere do tamu we brother ye wa like we na all la we be time agwa ku akwere ruwa okwere awere except woman go ro wodo we do ata the excuse na him from Victor when we me je go yero we wa to oge a social media there's nobody no man go yero. Frank Victor, you are adulterous man, and you don't have the right again to fight against adulterous woman. Do you understand? Because you are go against, and you said it in one of your videos that you cannot be fighting for adulterous woman and you be sleeping with a married woman, and you did. You did. You were fighting for adulterous women, and you slept with a married woman. What are you? What are you? No Judy Karahibo. No Judy Nakarahibo. What did you think about that? What you hear to vocabulary? We are getting from it. A better name not by Lago, Guado, Odeko Deya, Adop Yano Wale, Ugu, my Ogbelia. Obianolovia camera, Uguduri, Ogbelia, Ugu, my Ogbobianolovia camera. Many of you will never know, say things like this now, so it by. Man wey dey sleep another man wife who do your bed now timing na they carry them they go house or timing na they buy them. You understand? Now timing they buy man any man wey dey sleep with married woman except you don't really know say that woman e dey husband house except say you don't know say that woman e dey husband house now you go free. Now God will still save you from it because what you don't know cannot buy you. You understand? What you don't know, it cannot buy you. That is it. As far you know that woman is a married woman, you was loloy that woman, you was nye and not be one, not be two, not be three. You understand? Frank Victor, you are adulterous man. It's a shameful thing to you. You that to fight for adultery. No, adulterous woman. Oh, no, adulterous woman. Who don't want Bialatia? Adulterous. Who don't want Latia? Adulterous. You was sleep with a married woman, Frank Victor. Or at the other time they said it's a married woman. You say, okay, it's not a married woman. What of this one? And this one, you are trying to deny it and debunk it and the breaking it or the straightening it where Okona Maro Godo. Inyavere go, how about Inyavere go Maro? Ije go ne Godmother from Godmother when it like the we tie ije mommy when the question is agbe when it dey Betty una nie what tan iye go la so anie nu we Betty iye go la so atia iye go la so anie iye go la so anie iye go kan boju obo Frank Victor wa agboma Frank Victor wa agbe kun ni Frank Victor the Frank Victor wa agbe dey Betty Frank Victor ibi e ka ti resist me na ni no one get set resist Frank Victor wa agbe de zoa no we guys dey do ma me we all be setting the resist ma de you kan na mo ke wa ye to papa na we na nya ni obi na ti awunu de set resist Frank Victor who can agbe de doa who agbe de imi Frank Victor ba be ti ogwe na mi Google on that anything on that scale. Who are bad poor. anything of that skirt uwa ben poa we ma me no korion uma no polo uma no nwe uma ne diwo uma ne gbiwo anything of that skirt uwa nya out of vu from Victor gbene iriwo we are seleti uke we are sin jo e upa ya e o e bori yo gari ogo zia muere jo gwa from Victor anti ogwena gbene iriwo la ho gogwa be dede na sinya sebe dede aye na be di omanu giyan mi ya yin so ta from Victor elwe dede ba a young lady elwe dede sabe dede na me ya from Victor na gogo sinya aye ge ejiyan mi ya yin so ta enwi yan fo e o sa lo ye bi atebe from Victor na he na ni ha hey baba wo wati wa la lo he dede na waso ono wa agbe ko abe na abe ti ogwena nem no gba nem no gba so Fravito maybe we'll come another day we ti ako we back 2020 ye go la rose we no wa ye go no se ye go mother enia Kata deno wa we go is a future we 52 years in here in March. So make by 51 years they pray. This April 2024 in by 50. So mother age makes my way back. You see me with 1 year. You understand? So ye go lare or seven no wa. Ye go lare o. E kwede deru wa o. We me ten. We me ra u meje. U me ne kwe we mu we begbe. Agwa we nakin ne kwe we mo jego. Jego ekweru wa o lare o agwa mi o bo mi eke ono wa lanu wa o wa be ni ana jego. Ijego agwa mi o bo mi eke vera agwa mi o bo mi eke jego agwa mi o bo mi eke ono wa ya ono wa lalo wa kun to sikmi awe ono wa lala ya wa fafa amagi kolo no gime jego ati ogwena gekwe bi amu we jego ugweje la that I see the hasi puti that way you has jego ekwe mwe older you a lady of 50 more than 50 years ijego you gwa no konado na ogodo wa ya bo de ejego Jego yanga mewejo. Ijego kola siga mewejo. Kometa siga mewejo. Yanga tamoe mama kareon. Ijego ekwe mugwe uweyo uge yakpa yowo dore. Ijego we megen we don we wado na na emma bodo yakpa yowo dore. Ijego egbop yamana uno yakpa hiwore. Ijego ajoge yakpa elsa lobo. Ijego ugboda fun evine. Unari ekpo wo akpa yowo dore wiyon moto. Ijego ekweje kugweje agwa wo ijego ekwe mugwe edo ya pita iyan we ekwe mu ojibe no motion wa ge ma press print we commenter se ari encouragement no e commenter se ari power ne ya ari tinu e ma ga zeti ju obo ijego ugwe ye mi age mi na de bawe e ma oni pe rubbish we ye go e no se si won no se si me we hi me e rubbish ehi me ijego eba we yesa ani na ze bawe erugbe ya gbogbo ije go egere futo na gbogbo ya gbogbo you gbegbe be matasi ya mu franfito bo ije go gi ekwe ga mu wenu lawo gwa je go lawo ya mu we peji ma mu we peji je go je kwe lawa du ka mi ma we gbon ma we ya mu we peji ni ma ekwe je go lawa je go je go ekwe teru gwa we be mu ha no be ekwe no ekwe that is omanu we gbe ne kwe we mugwe o mane gbo ere go we be bie na ne kwe we mugwe o mu we bie wonu den ne kwe we mugwe we abege we o wi na do he na ni bi gwe nwase awe mu no nwate bi gwe we nwafo na ye go awe mu ni nwate ya do ba je go gwe we nwafo ne je go. When I did it from Godson, a Godson ya spinny where, what ya chasey where, what ya toasty where, what ya plisty where, what ya toshy where, what ya nyawakara, what ya vegi len yoto a jego when it's wagwa, a gillo wagwa, who know I'm ye Godson, turn on wava, jego. A Godson one yam, where you got here, Godson, oh, a baby, oh, I love you, oh. Jego, why you screaming here? Jego, don't tell me why you screaming here. Bed in Jego. Ijego. Why you screaming here? Bedi, Jego, on ekwenugwe. Omaga gugwa kon we Thomas saga uwa. Omaga gugwa kon we Thomas saga uwa. Ijego eti saga we. Ijego ekwe mume. Ijego de shame your shame. Ijego de disgrace your disgrace. Ijego de food. Oh my God, man, he put say hey. When Ijego you understand? No name you now eti saga yin. Ijego ekwe mugwe. Jego ekwe na gugwe ranu. Me mate jaji. Then when I say, my go yero. Jego ekwe mamuwe. He said Jego wali ekwe ka imiri. Jego who were the disgrace ka imiri. Whatever the ekwe no man be akino wine. Oh ye no be fafa. Ijego we ma fafa ye. Ijego ekwe we ma fafa. Oh ye ruwa o. Hell baba wune. Jego ti we no be agugwe be na. O ti we no be ma watch video ni Jego. If you get my wash a Jego, Emon what change the school, my watching and I Jego, Jego, what's your winner? What's your winner, Jego? Who were you Latina? Well, I Latin, Latin is who you are, Jego, Jego, Godson, Joe, hey, Jego, oh, Baba, Jego, Godson, you, hey, Godson. Mommy lava tue, mommy lava yeze wagekwega mugwa. Jego deze. Ono tugwe ko mommy lava tue eze agbe. Jego go etu afafe gbugwa na. Le no rede, le ne boge de fafa we. Odugbo Jego. Jego. So, umami onoku work one ya. Umami onoku work one. I commenta call us near what boyo wagogo. When ba mate ba we. Lare Uwe pale no te pa wono e de ba ya egwa kana bi mi agwa to no je go na kwemu no do ka te pa na ma te pa Ijego okay ka te pa ma te pa ma igbino ni we gbina na umaye ka no ya free man here igbeti anu mo ejire Ijego go me igbeti awe mo re go shini Ijego o do ya we ya te social media Ijego je kola ara do bo me we ekere go gigele wu oge from Victor egwe kan gilele we magi me kya be gilele wo ana gele mie wa we tawe according to you we ekere go ka we wina oge from Victor we do mi o Godson no that fun we Jego you are a total disgrace to adult women Jego mama ego you are a total disgrace to adult women. With the adult women, that is why I always said a lot of people will be doing things. While they find out the origin of those people, they are not from real Benin. When people were here to Jego, I when I go to Toto, maybe you are not from Benin. Or we are Doctor Edweke Agwan Wedona. Eke go to we wa dona. Jego women we una we me go gbelu home emo. We me go see ni bun. Mama Ego, why did you so wicked to your husband like this? A boy you introduce to your husband as a Godson lies you on bed on a Duduvaga. He Duduvaga you and you are not ashamed of yourself and you came on social media to come and be saying I want to say that's how my mama that's how my mama go what's about so my go Jego, as you know, did you listen to your video? Did you listen to yourself? Jego, did you clean your ear well and listen to yourself? What you are saying out of your mouth, Jego. Jego, ekwegbewe mamuwe. Jego, ekwegbewe mamuwe. Jego, ema akpokoyo we wagoho. Jego, this is not a matter of support. I am telling you, you are a disgrace to adult women. Jego, you are a disgrace to adult women. Ekwe, evieteme, ewuki. We're not setting your way. No wonder when you see a video of Mokona, Uwema, or Mokona, Uwema, or Mokona, Uwema, or Melson in your Polino Yamoto in Nigeria, or Mobiere, Uwema, Saga, or Monoke, Uwema, no more za. Me to be merely a magic. One of the Godmother, but it's your let's know again. How may we Godmother? My sister, I am ashamed of you. Forget about where Franvito, to my bomb my way, forget about it. That's also like a yoga neighbor. Yeah, my bomb my way. Also, what tired me, my I did not believe Franvito. I was thinking maybe it's a saga. That is the fact. Until you came out and say, get na where I go, my go, go. Are you okay? Ije go, your mama we are hospital near ya get it, where do you ba? Ije go, while I was sick, go, I will go to hospital, where I check it, or get do you ba? You go, uje de no ma. Mama, go, are you still normal? Ije go, are you still normal? Are you not ashamed? Godson, honor you well over here, honor so a new way, honor new way, honor new way. Ije go, why ya so here? The Godson new wa, the Betty, je go do tamima. Je go, the time, Franvito get my page, and me bonije go outside, je go, why ya so here? Who are the Godson? Godson, Godson. Oh, to that here, oh, Victor, oh, Hallelujah. Oh, una bekala. Oh, amoso. Jego, why you so here to tell me, ma? Jego, why you so here? Jego, damn, wegbe. Where the Ladian? Why you go preaching my mama? Where? You are here to preach my the younger ones. You senior me with 1 year. 1 year and 1 month, so you have to according to your age, there to fiam bio because I say what social media what age why you won't believe because if you want why tawana, you won't bajaji, because when I bauni, why do they age by age? Do you understand? You won't bajaji, jego. What motivates you? What flick you when you not bame kwa de Franvito? What flick you when we be Franvito? What equamo? Go on there, ya gonna hina equamo. Ekwamo ona niewa una gbamu tua je bedi no dafu when am no dafu when we do ye je go what's the looking at tawe tamani no say the go bia dike na go I bet una way they support this woman me not support am me na tell her where you forget am wrong go because younger ones is watching you people wala go Franvito mago boy do you understand but okuona what am I can na wrongi ibieka wash wani boom me na tell her where this woman wrong because the way when I tell to do this woman now the youngest one that is watching you people they will learn from it if you people because of hatred of Franvito to disguagua Franvito and you leave here go you people are teaching bad things. You people are spreading bad things to the world. So you people should tell the yebo or like bestie way. Tell la yebo I not be your enemy. If you like, take me as your enemy. I not be your enemy, but I'm telling you today. I dey talk am. If my may God not let anything cause quarrel between me and my husband. For instance, man retire me, I will carry my load. I go come out. I go. You understand? I cannot go and flirt on top of my husband. I will not try it. Yeah, go anywhere he gave away going winner. Why can't you carry your back? It's not by fault. That's social media I say, oh. Now laugh you go laugh me. Hey, just with that say, but I'm not seeing her. Oh my God, that from me, Mummy Susie. Oh, why you not saga or boss or gam? Where maybe tell me, oh, you will block it, my can. Oh, what saga or boss or gam? Man say, hey, oh, come on. Message so me not important. Or TM me ta we got a why not get nyai. Do you understand? Otie mi eta we got why na ganya esunu. If you say I greet you. Okay, maybe where you say, oh, I love you, go. Both of them are the same. Go and ask about Mama Joy. So now question so okay, maybe where Guayete Franvito and to just support go. You people are not teaching you people are not showing a good example to the younger ones. There's a lot of lady out there 30-something years, 35 years, 40 years, 45 years, they're still growing up. They don't know things. But the way you people talk about this Franvito and Iyego issue, it will make people to really know, say, this is abomination in Edo land. Or that money, we are not living in Edo land today. We are living in forest land, in other people country. You understand? We are living in other people country, but we have to say the truth. Iyego, I did not hate you. You may watch this video, you said this woman never liked me, blah, blah. I don't hate you. Tell me if your daughter behave like this, how are you going to teach your daughter? How are you going to talk to your daughter? Are you going to support your daughter to sleep around and fornicate? Duduvaga, small boy, for people that is in the roof of his husband. The roof of that one where everyone now be from Victor. Go. Don't think people support you from comment section, calling you, hey, mama, where's the joy? Hey, carry on. Hello, mommy, call it the other number. Call it, hey, who carry my phone? May not give me the other my phone. May not give me one makeup. Hey, mommy, call it the other number. So, we have to talk to Ijego. Everybody have to talk to Ijego. Oh, my sweetheart, she want to live with you. So you people have to talk to Ijego where she gets it wrong. She have to know this is very wrong. This is very wrong. Ijego is abomination. Ijego biku yewo accept. Hello, mommy. You don't live with you. Okay, Nimo a speaker. Okay. Is there more up?
Is that not that right?
Okay.
Mommy, the doctors at the end. Oh, yeah, I'm up for a robot on our way. Why I said the wrong part? What be a far? What I want to
Mommy, if I make a message you give out before you get go. Mommy, where may I go see one woman if I make a see before EJ go, from to make a good one, before make a like EJ go now. At all. Yeah, only me tell you see we talking as on EJ go. Mama, eno you may tell EJ go momo. Then you go mother at 5 years, about 30 years. On your do guy. You go your mom 50 something years old woman. Eh?
What I saw there.
Maybe tell you the see first like one.
I nurse your wife. I sleep with your wife for more than 31 days. For what now? Because of your page, then you want this one away.
Make our queen one
about 2 hours. Who been adultery? Or we do have your way you have, don't defend it. I repay. Okay, you have what
Frank lao where we mama joy lao wo baba lao Frank ero we mama joy lao wo lao ero we mama wo lao wo me what aleni ya nesi mama why to go mother la emi ate ogi me what ka go Frank igunesi wa we watch from the beginning emi ya to Frank wa me enje go me face now or say because if we go Frank igun iye go me give egungun iye ka be Frank no ya so na yeah.
So yeah,
yeah.
That Frank no ya son of Kona. We're showing Nigerian national but when I Frank here. Oh, we are here for Ranger. Then I tell you another sunu. No, now we're Bonania. I will a trade. No, from Victor, I know.
Mama, but Mama, I agree. Iye go mama, not about my time because. Me go from it up one o igba go me go one we what fear we go look camera we watch the video 1 million but Ije go na omomo Ije go ma me ta Ije go na we dey from it on web boni mama Ije go ma from it on web boni Ije go Ije from it on web boni e boni Ije go ona lo boni go ma lo Ije go mama o ma lo na
ni bi ada e ho won ni mana sunu gama ai we egbe irosunu wo
yeah oro
won ya we ka mi me wo re Frank egbe
okay me ka ta le ni nesi nugbe mana e la me ka ne je go le si wo we mi egbe from Victor nugbe yaru le la o
okay we ma we gbe so na pity o
yeah Ria kai.
Wo ma ke so no the video no. O ma mi o.
O wa the video nu wa pe godmother.
Iko ya e godmother pa e ma sika na na ko na ta na.
Yeah.
Yo pa no. Yene no gwa wo gwa ya ije kafi. Wo ki ya amere no.
Yeah, no ye kafi my o my return go.
What are we saying? Amere no nia. Huh? Okay, ni amu fo eke amuna ni okay ade no go. Agwa ga gwa beje. Why can we not say? Huh?
Yeah.
We are here gwa be ko ya pede. Down me no lo ni de te. O ka o, fa, ha, ko ne na ro da e kan yo ko na na.
Is it Frank sir? Frank Sabi. They Duduvaga me I put on that side because of Facebook. France Sabi they Duduvaga make us. Is our Frank Sabi wa waka bo wa na ke se gagabo.
I come from a public area. Avera na bo wa bele public mo efo a. Ile na takira je gbe ka o efo kele mo na da pele ebi ro pere ba. So we should know to ba. We know her no way. Every year go no, she was very wrong. Because the my Godson, no young kid,
yeah.
Somebody not here into your wife.
Yeah.
1 year. Or somebody not here into your wife. But for that reason, yeah, if I can work there, and I'm
work with me, Frank, Mama, why me all life video na senior. You get me all audio. I give you Papa me all live video now. But 40 something minutes. I'm not me la go now. From Vita make was see make la go. You understand?
1 year. So why be ever? Because from Vita no, susu no. And I'll get a check at all.
Mama joy. Mama joy. Supporting Mama Ego because
Nigeria no. From Vita any way, I believe way. I'm like those sort of one now. Any point no one now. Almost today,
Mama, now I catalyze the very from Victor because I can go with donor. I'm gonna pay go especially whatever thing in Manakabo. Now we are teaching lesson. It's just a teaching of a thing where I can come be a card in 1 day because
I get time when I wear
yeah.
I can't pay to work.
Me from Victor just when my man made no move back or see a minute I go from Victor go.
Because he may if you talk about them again.
Oh, me go from Victor go see Mama, ije go gi your momo. Then you may jam no sonny me why ije go gi your momo. Why you go pull left from Victor? Why? Married woman?
What can you get of your honey? Or as a robot? Huh? As a robot? I can't go back.
Mama, why not sonny making a good go? Iye go na your camera. Ugo wa we e mega dam iye go me here bi. Oh, wa with me. Me because from that time, me matter judge me tell wa we saga no. Me matter believe. When we from talk at the bebo ge a quit show. From talk at the bebo ge we angele lo kije go. Me matter the judge. Me je go na do latia. Me te believe.
All the bebo ge e then we do aka we ka ya we ari bebo.
Me ka tale ni ya me si mama. O se be let we ma gi me ya tale ni. We carry a paper, okay? Me can't allow so social media now. If we can one level you paper, that people are just trying to cover up something. Well, that boy, but me tell me ya the single. Me mama me go from Victor one. Only you have a head in. Only you go me lao.
Last year, man. Last year, man.
Yeah.
Iye go when you me go ya paper. When you go, you work with me am paper.
Okay. Can you imagine?
Huh?
Can you imagine? You never let the banana do ona no here says on ya woman or when me susu when you get ya well that's where you was denying for your friends. You was denying. Mama try to understand me. It is where we my Victor my cool but now let's say it the way it is. Me the way from Victor
The way what So I'm going to support you. No. What are you fight them wrong?
I'm a call up on a college go. A call up on a college go. Look at support where mama. As the John. That color me got with me. Why? She says she don't return by bride price. Oh, marry go marry Tony. Oh, marry Tony. Oh, marry Tony from Toga away. Oh, marry Tony. You go marry Tony.
Oh, kaka wena no jena. E from Victor, am I can like the meter do one. O make can like am what do any case at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, if I want if you know you're telling
me better let you see where a man can from Victor rebel that do attention no cause na trust awawa because you do any mama we are watching Victor from the beginning why me we from Victor make a good one. From Victor make a good one. Yeah, do I know a test of the non you he got Karahi, but I can't let a lady see just a man. Oh, yeah, go without over me because when the Popolian go and support you go, he am with Doria, oh, here Doyaki because he just go, me let if it on the sea, oh, yeah, go, me, my man, the miss or go by ye, always from it all. He just go, everyone of the bad way. He am with Doria because they're not teaching the younger one the good lesson. That is the facts. Do you understand?
When if I go, if I already son of Puna, no, but
yeah,
if I make Boba, near I'm going to Bopona, near I'm going to demand you. No, I'm son, no, I don't know why. Any so in a media because of me, I supporting, I supporting. I am not the enemy one. If I put away my father, why?
If I read me, my boy, me support you. If I go no cool. Ije go no cool. Bad. Ije go no out 20 something years bana. 30 years maybe I can boy na pelere bro. If I go get a mete if I to pelere rock in ma pelere Ije go ogwa ekia wa ije go wa sale kia yo ki yo kan yo twe. Ekia wa ije go sakan. You get a lot of mama. Mama, or halal name, mama, where from it all. My way, we wine. Do you understand? But a matter now. Me, I don't want to make go from it up one name, make go from it up one. But if you go, unimo to sinoni, unime we are, unime agua, unime agua, no to dononi is very bad of her. But okay, no way, what you know, I say now. 51 years, 52 years, we match, or we here back. When now the one around where we are here, no my bawe 40 years. Only a year when we make a frankness, see, when ya saw it, no ya saw it now. No ya saw it now because Emina no better go kia, your bay kia, Aguanija is go agua iganya, or better go kia, or Salobamu that go where they go magu. Mama go feed your back. Mama ego tell us she was still married. Yeah. You elije go kai from it away or come here we return go but you go not away we ga rogodo. We ga rogodo when you when from it on Godson and no provoke me mommy joy. You know what son make it be go son mommy joy make Ijeveda, no soni Ijeveda, mo bi join that no soni, no soni make it be go, soni Ijeveda. Ijego, ma.
When a fuck
I did live video, cut the other line.
What? A fuck yeah. Okay,
Meta my be one Frank yet is you meta me Frank in the scene. You cannot deny it. You can't deny it.
I mean they call anyway support here where do not do away. Here a far not do away area a far.
That's what I'm saying.
What
call the other number. My manager finished, I'll call the number. Yeah.
Why be going from it up? What can from it on also the corner? No, not just the way no heke. And then he go meet and then do after rubbish here my her.
Yeah.
Because they don't also maybe her 1 year. What ready? I don't know where you da fún Iraq mo da fún
o bia no wa me re wudu diri ogbeli an me katale ya fefe ne sin
okay adama mi akare gwe wo ge
o baba me tale ya ne sin me gwe from to gwa ne sin me gwa we gwa ne sin Eunice from I will call you
Amerebe no be mujokwa na Amerebe mujokwa
Frank is innocent. No. Frank is innocent. Frank is not innocent. No. That one, Bright. Frank can never be innocent. If Frank is one and where EJ Goro Wado, oh, what innocent in that is lie. Oh, Frank is one. Frank is one. Or why EJ Goro Wado? Innocent. Not be innocent. No. Not be innocent. Frank just knows say you go do water.
What dia if you pay fa kunu yan. Cause you discuss be yan. But na do papa no pa me ma equal obo na. Me de papa no pa ije go mewa. Mewa gugu because it's very bad. It may go from talk on give me that phone. Give me. Yeah, it's wrong. On a wrong. No,
where's the mommy? Where's the? So, men are not vex the commenters because maybe mommy joy no. Hello. Maybe mommy joy no know say I don't talk about from Victor side. Maybe now where she come meet me, say I dey talk about mama ego. Maybe if he say maybe I never talk about Frank Victor side, you understand? So I don't talk about Frank Victor side since. If you watch the way when I talk to Frank Victor, you know say I don't get support the side when I did. You understand? I don't give Frank Victor, I don't tell Frank Victor say may go do plenty for her. No ya zone according to hello. Baba call what's the one name? Eja la go baba iware live video. Ya ti wa we live video for ne we say kakabo we say I really appreciate mana ciao so that is it. Maybe men are not vex for mommy joy if you not there here when I start the video you know what the time I talk to Frank Victor I talk to Frank Victor now and Frank Victor will contact say you know say mama ego de osmas water no ya zone ni ya we dey kere go agberegbe no me na agberegbe you understand e matter my no my tie e matter o ma we no my tie Frank Victor water so no jimemo if you say me mind get mommy joy no my way no jime ya mo wu we na we lady joy ki o ko pass big woman old woman more than 50 years old woman. She's not a baby anymore. How can you carry your mommy cause you live video ni mo speaker
mo speaker
cause
Happy New Year.
Send to you. I'm gonna call him and I worry after mommy now who call it. I greet to Saga. Thank you. Yeah.
I have been following you for years. There was a video you did. You remember I called you for a video.
Yeah.
That's to tell you where no but so I found no more but to put you
yeah.
Eventually, what can you my even stop even that was the man but then from Victoria I hear my because they have been there for a long time.
Yeah.
For one, they can even hear case swing. If Victor, when you
okay.
Understand? Yeah. Or movie or candy, I pack with an of my short married tie because I don't know what. Or we are going my here,
yes.
No tab or live video. me ya we ipakpe na ogaji.
Yeah.
I still beg
Yes.
So I will now because me a dog in very ye kurie ni. Me na dog ipone nie violatia we otolo ye kinye me gaginya me na ginye. Ye ke di ke soe. So he believes you where I will be a boge ni. Oh yamunia.
Okay.
One. Then secondly, if we make kakabo keke, I wonder when I see man of Wabeni you what to jay. But if we money warrior, we put on a nickel keke, a mahara. Mana mia many, setting. Egenia ya sunya, dear lady, Ubi Okana. Egenoya, Saturday, Yadu, a PM here.
We are not like what or not, yeah.
We are what on in my hair, so. Egeno ya tired, don't even ya tired, no young,
no.
Or she with my line up.
Yes.
We may be well. When we're una we are luepu. Umana we are luare pakirani, and we not
at all.
When ya weapon, where to have tea foka, and young winner. While we almost to the other room.
Yes.
So, ni etori le kwebo gieni. Enya ya tesi trap. Imagine okoni no America. No my new or apart from maybe one video call. Here boy my buy no be a cake but no see better body na cake. America ga west go no boni calculate.
Oh, we are here just no boni abia you wa abia wa ye jobe na ye kwana.
I think we understand it. So when Levani where Olueni gie.
Okay.
Olueni yes. And then ni ebe alone ni ya. Ropa masu ye go down. Than the backwardness ne. Okay, from one a day to a day, from one a day to a day, from one a day to a day.
Yeah.
I too beg and you man of you go yala dia where you not feel where you are, you not trust, you not trust. Wa mi go ya na e wata gini e kede mi wa ate na mo pa no ga bia wo we no bi na la wo go bi go yen o me wo to yen che wo to che you might do understand.
Yeah.
So ina mo ge Victor na mo for you.
Please guys share the videos, please. We have share video na wala wo. Yes.
So we work like video ni me like me share.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, ni ma like what.
Yeah, e dey on na what you like yeah.
So ana me we ogi ye go no ro. E can me na blame me ye go. We here your man wo mo. O ma we ya wo mo.
Okay.
Then obi o hani all na do a maybe no ya je voice ya ku e ku ai o kalu bridge your house.
Yeah, God bless you.
You might do what that
Saga page. You say Mama go like to Frank. Okay. Go ahead with je.
I too beg who seriously that boy I go take down
yeah.
But then you go ya ulele from Victor because a PM already do time where or I say pavilion where ya go to ya. Ona woman ya down
yeah.
Don't yet do ije go me e ro bishina ni yetame na nyega tamo ya o ga obi eto me e tamo ge no be cover a platform no ki obi gbo wiye be o me tori no wiye je
agwa igbo wa ma gwa am started by the only tabanya follow me so e ma only do time no do me where always do ana in social media na story no o say that one lock up igbo wa ma gwa
ti ma te obi eto no bana obi eto wa me ga dan me ho e wo ga titi bana ba titi ga outside where the husband we a je ri lawa. Okay. So okay go maybe when the from Victoria so ni jego from Victoria so ni jego ye go ya so on that point ko no ba wa e obi eto even in my Yahweh tradition we do ya wo take.
Okay, ori igbo na mama egbe o la ori igbo ogedo opia ni ozo no koni ya lawa ere ya sunu wedo
mema
ore ya sunu wedo mama Otedo, okona fi owe yo ha. Obia no lo ye keni. Obia ni ozona. No ko ni yare gbe lawa. Ere ya wewe do. If you not know so you be bini, whether with the thoughts on our truth, let us know whether our truth or not lie.
Why get rush? Where come China? Yeah. Oh, we are no ya who only nani. Oh, ya those zone.
Oh, ya those zone. Yeah.
Okay, then I may we maybe what my can be carry. I want that with no black power. My me they were not those zone.
Almost so I can be carry.
Oh, when no time where or man, I want me a big cool so ni get poor. Nija obege kia gwa waji fu ya biere anywhere hotel that of work yoge
we no nije me mai but otedo ni mekere ah obie do ta era le hinje le hin obia okona we mi agwa obia no gwa we mi agwa obia ni ozo ne no ko ni no ya wo de gbe lawa de o da fun na we ye egbe de gbe o
me gwa eri kweto so but my re to bia no to aso
bia no so mama la agri no mama agri go wa mo fe yo no bia no so na wa and but so ho to ko ni wi eri jo am so ya zo do bi e do no when no see e ru do mo no bi ele yiba no mi na ti do bi e do no pa ti le ba ni bi e ti le no to okay so ale ba ene mo no bi e yiba ni
ni me na no tani ni me no we Dere go there obi eto no to
obi gbono
go anyi kuni me no
egenye
na mo understand how to come ni se egwe egbe to sample the live video so egwe pe ati
e ba wo understand e ke no wunye go na mwime ye na egbe to analyze the video e ba no wunye na mwime na ha
no sign of remorse.
Yato, o ma be gbu egbe.
That means Okawe, this is not the first time she has been doing it.
Yes, this woman. I greet you, Mercy. I greet you, Princess. This relationship, man, the woman. Oh, no be the man. No, but what shall we meet no na the man because me no zone. You understand? So obiari no feel no ya no be kokoni or zono koni or we don't have na settle in you wa or ya zone don't ma ya se mu dem no biele yiba no me na ti an labor any money or you be ya almost to zo thank you so much. God bless you.
By force, marriage is not a force.
It's not by force. When you use social media, now you have to see marriage. When you give it back, I go, we walk here, why come over?
We don't, we go your work, we return it the bright price.
That is it.
Or we can drop it here, man.
Yari costs.
Your way. So if one decide the year go, make your car way. Wa my way boy, one outside the year go. One inside the year go, most of you now. So one said me we present a story and talk we are. No more we go down now. A story and talk keke. There's nothing to write home about the story. Only what I go ya gbe better or even no ya segbe. Iye go me play baby na ya fete.
Mama la ya no water ba me ne matter na je na oye keke de from Victoria gbe ya analyze e wo ko no wodo a. I don't trust you for this moment. I greet you, Lucy Osayede. I greet you from Canada. I greet you, my love. Yeah. Only in Mekata, if I'm talking right now, you analyze it. Okonoro water. If you don't trust, if I'm talking right
any right in it, because I don't trust my.
Okay, if they don't see the man, thank you, Princess. Oh, Samu Diame, God will bless you. Say, if they don't see the man, the woman, they do am for her husband most time. Now the woman, no be the man self. Okay, not be the man when he marry. Oh, now we dey talk. Oh, not be the man when he marry. The man when go to Duduvaga, now we dey talk. Oh, the man when go to Duduvaga, not be the husband when he marry. Then we dey talk. The man when from it on go to Duduvaga, mama ye go now. If they want zo, now Franvito go pay everything when a bear request. Papa go family request when they go take zo. That's what we are saying. I greet you, my beautiful mommy.
Well, now the first time.
Okay. Oh, I will call you this caller. I will call you. Don't just worry. I beg. Yeah, call you. AJ. Hello. Okay. Let me quick. Hello. I will call you. Go in my hand. Let me call you. Don't manaro. I take PK. So that is it. Now not be the man when he Duduvaga. Now we dey talk about not be the man when he get his wife. Now we dey talk about. Now the man when he go Duduvaga the woman. Now we dey talk about, because me I don't see many of them like that. Okay, this caller you can call back again later. Let's go to the next person. Sorry. Okay, hello. With the live video.
No, good evening.
Good evening, my sweetheart.
About something.
Cause you about to
try the correct way.
Mommy.
No also. I hope they are not able to forget boy. Oh, honey, yes. Oh, honey, I hear so. Ego got a phone. Yeah. For example, oh, what in I have to forget or be going who are moving one there. Or the mother does already woman. No. One also to go and so with the family of the husband. And all money you have to forget away or can go son is not done in Benin.
Okay, mama, mother and wetana na me a try ni menne ave ni why because me miene very o biani no ya do be kokwere ni mi ozoe eri me ya mi edo. You understand? So me I know it depends on the family no or it
me bege what ya so. Biani ya no be okay ona ga yo ye family high no be ke you ofian le pe ya so. Huh?
But that I don't know.
Let me go to Nana. I hope that apart from France, I hear no come away.
Princess Samudiame, if they see the man, but that the man does deserve not be the man. If you go a car away, you go to away from it on a yes, one car away. Okay, the bottle a kia, or car away. Okay,
that means I'll hear you have to have your identity.
Madame, Mama.
Okay, ya zona. Odo very yani all no pian de because for it okay ya. So don't you want to go according to a year ago or we you don't want to me return a bride price. Okay. What understanding? Yeah. So
you go marry to the prime where from to go to Duduvaga, but from to ya Duduvaga, but no ke wa we. You go there Asha no.
You may not understand the way I matter now. I mean any who na me did not deck bena. We are mo be be from Victor.
We say, ona me no what an me gwalo si. We am me be.
Ali ko ni mo share ne. You go ni we are.
Can you imagine?
We are me be from Victor.
Alalo. Wọ́n apiko di bungulo ni alalo. Igba kan yo si etikan. Only me and me woman.
Because of a Frank Victor, una udama si odo no una si ai.
Yes, caller. If she slept with different man, now they made them. They
this way no continue, my sister. No wahala.
Okay. Sleep with. Okay. Thank you. Say, now made them. They give them come to the. God, Abi, how many men she slept with? Okay, thank you so much. God will bless you. So, I the day na ni wa gbe na many as tiyan he dey ni gbe na be ni gbokun no. I don't know how to call them. So, all those day I don't know whether this person called just now. All those day bugwa give me kinegbe from Victor. Any na no mu mo hello je mara live video. Walk out your bar. Hello.
Hello.
Brother, I agree so with the live video.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
You know what kind of contribute.
Oh, where's it? If you know say you be Benin, you understand all those things, you can call and contribute. So we want to know.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Where is no na target from Victoria Keno zone.
Ijego.
Contribute to you.
Okay.
Relative from Victoria zone because you where you are.
Okay.
So because we are again going from Victoria Senior or even so it or maybe I'm a zone away.
Okay. And they call her carry taba.
So even before from Victor came in like that, maybe on a carry on carry.
Yeah.
No carry. So only I'm zone away. So other than from Victoria zone away, it's not
correct. Merci, say correct. Okay.
Oma responsible.
Yeah.
Because we are doing the whole issue now. We're out of jealous. And I have fair now because the woman Caladian or how if I'm Victoria so everybody we are thinking we're only mother
and son.
Not me out of jealous and pain.
You go don't fight boy. My God.
When you fight me, because she was still in love.
Yes.
Because I see
the feeling was so deep. The feeling was so deep.
So deep, yeah, so deep. And the bitterness to Yaro in fact is too much. Why I am out of jealous, because in fact you over here, so them, you know. Why I have my own not me where she's
no be only Mama Joy, Frank, no be only Mama Joy, don't call for years since so loud leave Mama Joy. Go here moon.
So I know because she was bitter. Well, so
yeah.
So that pain
it was real.
Yeah. Oh yeah, explore the meaning where we are beginning to say where Okunogero is sagging, no, because if I is sagging, we muya.
Brother, why now we only Okunogero is sagging,
yes, Okunogero is sagging. We're not to
call we call you after this call. I will call you back. Don't worry. After this call, I will call you back. Brother, why
if the Okunogero is sagging, Okunogero is sagging. Oh, I know we are not carrying away.
Yeah. I disagree with this caller. Okay, Princess Samudia say I disagree with this caller. Which way? Caller la FM dia. Princess Samudia man, which way you take disagree with the caller? Abel, let us know. Okay, caller, go ahead.
Okay, yes. Okay. The fact ya Latiani Kamawe ya expose Ijego. But when I even get it on our
yeah,
no, we might no expose. If I don't have to pause.
Okay.
If I not to pause at least. But this woman came out, and she was still vibrating where they don't want to make a
yeah.
They don't want to make a home.
Yeah.
As someone we move and no is not exposed. It is so now as a responsible woman. Who just surviving
yeah.
They look at person anywhere. Again, and then you're exposed in it, they do what they're doing.
Yeah.
But this woman came out, yeah, threatening a fan.
Yes.
They don't want to make all those things. And the fact he active, no. The woman is still acting as if
nothing happen when I'm here all day right. Take me now we na ina. Then I'm na normal thing I just do na normal like a girl no my own done no. Na normal thing I do na not be bad thing. You understand? Na we I get butter for this woman be dance.
I'm ashamed. Yes, me to be make we
okay, brother, me I know what about e from Victor na, me no jena. We got a team with a matter doctor's woman gear, not to settle anywhere, for instance.
A matter adulterous women, you don't see any kind of What do you can't see? No one will go and one will follow a young video, but I'm watching this program where we are watching.
Yeah.
What do watch him no sooner near? According to Frank,
yeah. Yeah.
One of them, according to the video I watched,
yeah.
The fact we are not know where we are here, winning that. It already will be Italy, a black price again, a family, my only army, so according to what Frank George,
yeah,
they may have one of the fact where, or more coming where you look. Or what do the age of cannot to call the phone?
Yeah.
You know not to imagine we are. So whenever where you roll, I wish me when I told him me. So not to hear Frankie okay, no. You must show yeah, info for you because the whole issue no have the dinner. So I don't get what the better way. According to what I heard, you're talking, my Frank.
My brother, me I don't know what about where you go with us where a Frankie ain't gonna call you a video call. We have a bonnie value. Or Frankie with Tana where according to if the Frankie tie, so you're gonna be tell maybe give it will do my wash you're gonna be tell where a Frankie ain't go call you a video call. And the Frankie, okay, where you give any, I saw where they go call a video call, a Frankie got a why, according to EJ go. We are giving Frankie my video. Come wherever, wherever, here if I don't got about Guana.
Yes, only the Frankie telling me, oh, where he go away from the gay, or when I love you. Or when I go where I love my love you. Or we are going to realize when I mean, or when he are on the leg one another.
People like this. Color this lady.
Oh, we're not doing so. We are not very open. You leave.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, not only do I have suspicious way. Okay, we not go no reno. Or matter what I may.
But from there, you go what you do Duduvaga after that.
Okay, only probably my.
Because according to EJ go because we are not mine. We so get raw. Okay, from Victor brother. Me, I will just be honest to you. From Victor, we go. You understand? You know, other many we are living Kube. Hey, when me Japan, my other film, my record back. You understand? For instance, yet you go give your journey. Oh, biawoko, Okonato, so it was so waro, no error. Otam, we are working in Euro, or we water free in Euro. Fine, in our radio. Or it's a menu, in our water free in Euro, Yana do mwe in Euro, walk a can of Yanu. I talk about quit. Immediately to know as a responsible man. In short, talk about pony where that boy fefe cannot me again because two can born in bay. I don't reckon Yaniawe. Okay, but from there, from Victor from Victor, you got call it. You go like other young Duduvaga according to Ijego.
Okay, only
from Victor, my beautiful mother-in-law say caller now live Frank Ekia. No, say Ijego. Still day husband house. Yes. And from Victor we go to water. Okay, brother, where from Victor the Bebop here. I got a quick talk show now time. Where from Victor to Duduvaga EJ go. Where from Victor the Bebop here. EJ a quick talk show. The from Victor have dinner where you my friend EJ go what does EJ go you know where I saw do you. Where we buy
okay.
Okay, from Victor the Bebop here. I went to the Masu no do Bebop. You understand? Okay, when matter when I retire and we go bog or western no. Okay, the favito this when I ever go okay, the favito when it matter adulterous woman like no do one you are.
Oh, my.
Thank you. So what about wow the wine? West Baba. Thank you so much. West. Yeah. So my wonderful people because I can my can marry. So when no genia a favito or we my go get or road water. So if I don't know where go and the fushi go and maybe where if I don't where you go roboto. So we want to catalyze to the area where no general no where can if I can have buro to come and be talking and anybody no matter adulterous woman give favito or mobile agbo do agbe etie do see side. Hello, with the live video I bet with this.
Hello, Mama.
I agree to issue your butter. Koji.
Odobo.
We thank God.
On the question
okay, Meche say France still like put for the matter. I will hear you, ma.
was a Frank now like I will not dog bear.
Yeah.
You know what I papa 1 million because only you who Frank like your mother, only you love you according to when you go where a border no be king.
Yeah.
For me, for my observation, I did a go. I understand.
Yeah, say no water in now, yes.
You go no mother start. So
Yeah, God bless you, my sister. Amazing.
A Frank, a kitano.
Yeah.
Mother start. Because mother start. Ex-Godmother Godson Duduvaga Godson. So your money may he get then Nigeria Frank Frank has a boat over a day life.
Hey,
I don't fuck your.
He cannot say it all. That way.
How only you yeah, I don't fuck
that way. I try.
So no. Ever so wrong a live video now. I give it away. And you know, king out, I tell we are soil, but it can anywhere for their med and what I know. Or I get a boat now, then we the Frankie boat now, then we walk on a rope.
Yes.
Yeah,
okay, my dear dear, Wahala get as he be. Don't believe Frank for everything he said. Yeah.
So, package of 2 million, why? Oh, when over your butter, no, why making now say, embarrassment in it now. Mother star, he go no way, whether we take no raw,
Mama, I was a color. Okay, go to Oriye go. Wahala buy na ka gbe o wa ni. From Victor when the matter na hije now. Okay, ne from Victor. No ne when we Jebana when na anybody know what doctors. Erioko na gre, Eriopia na gre. We are we get from Victor do bo ye na when the matter na hije now.
If I can be you know type na awaken you only again time that presenter na regba. When matter now, you hear any other where any other doctor's mouth, the by you go away, but your man analyze the one.
Yeah.
And the other will turn up banner.
Yeah.
Understand? When the matter that you general, I'm here, but the fact is that it don't adulterous.
Anybody where they support France, they support Batty. God bless you. Me, I not got the same one as the support to me. View body from Victor Enekere. Guahia Mujela.
Because Frankie, we now total a video. Or do I tell we a woman?
Lady, I will query.
Oh, we always get Vanna Roto. Wait at 1 day away.
Oh, where?
Over the ability talk. Understand everyone.
My sister, I'll Goni, huh? Okay, can you go to the live video to analyze a matter when the Obio Hankere Godson, Yak Bele Kiaji, your heavy water. Okay, can you go to the latter to analyze the video?
Oh, mother, the head came my sister. You get go, may also know, and never get go. Wait on you, or why you 3 flats your way, or what you way. I mean, that means I'm not a glen over Frankie Glen like a woman.
Me mate jaji, ni ena la jaji me jaji, me ya that ne wa show matter. No me mate e kwajo ni, wa mate e ba me, me mate e kwajo ma jaji.
Frankie, o to go me so de no what I jaji. Me na do ata we o ye 3 flat ya we. Na that means o glen wa we, that means again na ata bo we. Also no fodo na na jami la video na do avie.
Okay. Mama Joy, damn your color. Mama Joy, time of Papa. Mama Joy, we go not see or when you allow when you agree, I'm bo. Do you understand? When we got to Vaga a ghost dot a somewhere, who not lads, when I go and boy, I don't want your bog boa. And I got tell you where who will your job boa. God forbid, picking like Frank. I will go forbid picking like Frank. I'm a boss. This is a boy. I am a boy. Okay. I will enjoy a boy. I'm a boss. I'm dog. Frankie. I will enjoy loud when I'm a buggy. Ija who made it a man, Mommy Susan, it's a man where a burn on a boy. I see you. Oh, no, I laugh with you. I went with Susan's door. I'm a bog bema. Yes, setting my bog bema. Yes, set you. If nobody to tell me life with you, where rice. Where wine, where oh, your honey work, Bugwa make what poor. Down where you go.
I went last spot to like a water bama. I want to be a wee yari. I want you imagine. Can a fucking now go sister we maka according to we no yata we maka we
e fraki la wo ya no whatsapp ba e fraki man for your man we believe we fraki magale e go na rogodo
okay no why kakabo
e fraki yen go rogodo e fraki wa din na ke kan yen go rogodo. Thank you Esther, God bless you. Wese so ije go ekwewe omu agmohia when ekwe from Victor imu agmohia, you understand? When no say naka ka bogu we go, let me tell you, I did not hate you, but as a matured woman you are okwo banuhin ekeno owu when am we me anything, because you have a grown up child no wodo no biene wo wodo, and you do something like this. Tell me, if your daughter do it, what are you going to say? What are you going to, how are you going to advise your daughter? The area no we imagining. Do you understand? If from Victor no raw, no ya low your camera, no boards, no do that social media. Then you yak boa make quiet, no ya pwe. From Victor na do koi because we no get go here no. And the look from look at it where they go here do. Don't yet do ere go kin. Even from Victor where they go now. Ere go if you buy from Victor for real. If you buy from Victor, the money where you go, you feel for the do one. You understand? I believe say if you go swear for this my own now, you get a car where you understand. You feel for the do one. I don't believe say now this one you take start on. I know for me, if they say just say you take talk on, I don't believe. Useless woman, Kate, good. Useless woman, saga. That is the fact. That is the fact. Saga page. La wo fie video na Godson. Fie. That is the fact. Ije go kage. That is the reason I say a video ni u ina we go ya zo ya oda fun we no adiogwa. No adiogwa, no do vein yogwa. Ije go na the phone na call me. Ije go call me na change voice. Hello. Yes, we go kwa bega ni emeredos na lavia emeredos na go we video ku me just we let see eri ye wa mo bia no imaweze emeregos because emi ata ave mana ata ne maso no da me yin agata iri reply yan dem no so da me do di bonk o se me reply yan imaze emeredos ye so before we do see ke lata we do we apology we just we let see when ye my we aduma we say imaweze we yo. Do you understand? Even the video no your apology where ni do we me away ye my day my call him there ye mama bia me blah blah. It was we have to put to us for. Do you understand? It was for waiting. Me I we me we salo boy ga me with that side mouth for me so we my hero we social media presenter me he bu no bia model we go try. Eso no ni, do you understand? Except this no. But what I'm trying to say in this matter, so now married. So now married mama Kevin day so okay as iye Kevin to boy na ye kwa kana iye Kevin o gbodo ye we je o ma je very turn go. You understand? So when I finish area man, so I see no reason na here me where It when the presenter me tell me, but here go we got the time and I back with video me. Here go she pick her phone, she called me, she pretend like another person voice. Other one one day I say me this is side now. I free here we resting when I wake here from Victor. When I go, you know what that for what declare. You understand? Or that a social media tie. This one be say, we has other film now we type up another time we social media when we come here so. When you are vein yoga, you manage what drag me. What drag me? Smells not a request for it. How we go because the better make me. Eyo mara yo maru. Ikono orio e makria kian ta. E we vein yoga o. We le ti do ya lejo. My dear, Mary those no. Those no follow. So ikone oriya ma clear ata ye ve mi gwa won be ale ti da fiye ija hu ye malaki era da fiye malaki ne mi malaki no ke malaki oya be wash the mind brain ne no be mi na ka we no ya ve mi ogwa. Do you understand? So I said to you go ya ve mi ogwa go ave mi ogwa is very important. U ga gba esewe giame u ya ve mi ogwa Una ewe uma seva ekelo da for when accuse we uma na so go avem yowa. The fact is that who ya voin because ave bon egbo ma so mama ri yo. You understand? Oma ri etonu we ari awebo. Ona ya we mi emi we ma pa me fa ese but una gele we o wa sek maka egboko o segbe that is your own personal hair. E quick we mu hu na it's not your personal hair because we we la on it. Ana yare we boss senwe. We na me we na no gele we. He go come and do it. He go refuse. If I make suspect he go na we he go na okay. If I get suspected, from the time raw, on the bebo, on the queen show, the queen show, on the bebo gioni, or why I me we not going to be a kid go that we rise to do it. Do you understand? So anybody know it's a favito. Oh, we are we are taking favito, yamu saga, yamu ge favito. Why may I walk by the Magbana, the Ray Magba? Because how will you carry a wege, a real twenge, a real say wege, you know, no area who we are ge favito. This is the favito. No, lobby a camera. No, one man not to boy with the social media dota, and no say, Dr. Boy dota where any one. So, according to that color, no call is where ye go on a ye swamonu, and no see ye go mine where a favito or body tawi we. That is the fact. No say the favito not ye go ye one where ye go ye one where ye go where one, no ye go a bragado. Ye go mine where a favito with board. No dota where yes, ye get a little king. Iye go fi we a favito responsible. They will not tell mozuo. Iye go make the meaning of a mozuo. Iye go fi we a favito will so let me say so shame. It will be ashamed of itself. It will not say it because of being adulterous. Or iye go have power. And no dota no foe. Do you understand? That is the reason Iego was fighting. He was still talking. He don't know Favito will say it. He's surprised when he see that Favito said it. Don't allow me Asia Goki. Eva me lala on social media. Eva me lala. And when Favito said it, I never believe it. I never believe it. I was taught when Favito go time me another one sure. Now okay, no, what was Favito valore? Because the Favito got valore. I feel we yo. From talk valor I vote your favor. So for that reason, I don't believe. The fact is that also I never talk for it. Megi gata me hobi jego. Kwena imega no. Duk money go yata o. Duk monojo because he did a lot of video. Duk monojo ekwena amu. I was ashamed. I was ashamed of myself. Okwoba. Who were you like to say? Well, you go why you like to say if you want to you can see me. Can you see a shameless woman like that? Not a young girl, not a 25 years, not a 30 years old woman, advanced woman, above 50 years old woman, just be doing things like that. You just do it like normal thing. And what we are in your go? Wakana hear you wa. Udo agbe. What take away that many ya put a hair. You understand? What take away that me with normal thing. Just normal. Nothing they happen. Yes. I don't know what happen. I don't tell anybody. I don't get anybody. Nobody get my tree. If you get a go cut am. Here go. People get your tree. You understand? Away. What's the one I was so be to no set to no you understand? Aguanokwa will set to me. Aguanokwa, away to question you because you are a public figure in a dosaba space. Akmoya with a dosaba space. You can't deny that. You understand? From Victor to come and sit down, honor like Bono to Tota. Honor to describe where camera go where here go that we. Bunubani and lobby a call how you want to do fanga. Aguanokwa. No. Aguanokwa. Favito. You understand? If Favito allow one make way, then the Favito, Ray Ragmo, or Edda brother, we are in Watsali, or Nagele Ragmo. Okay, that's all Nagele mature, or in a no wine. Okay, not say Favito, Talata, everybody time. instantly not here a video no go buy video ni everybody time okwere we o na but me be no okwere ati wa gbewa ana do ba ya ati wa gbewa lele awa gbopia ni wa instantly ni well em no ni here. I think maybe where Savito don't really know the meaning of that. He don't really know how he play. Do you understand? What's in the kokwere udo latia boldness udo a describe who be a hammer that for we no love ye ke hem no back. Oh my keke, it's very bad. It's obviously because it may honor nyawuge. Let me just try one call. Let me see. I want to make one call for Nigeria. Advanced person. I just want to confirm something. You just confirm something. It may honor nyawuge okwo gagre okonyoso. Do you understand? All I know, both of them is a disgrace to Benin. God bless you, Meche. Go to both of them. They are disgrace to Benin. Do you understand? Calling my joke. So, iya evana no dweke agwana. Iya te nota opia no ya gre the to no zone because ema ro ima because egbe ro ni me ya won na family me ho we do ma do zo there eri ya zo no my there in my experience the fact is that but imie mane ni ya zo o me ga pa we ga ni ona amoko no ro gwodo ori moko no ro gwodo okuo na obi e wo pa ya ga akin so eguma na atamo da fun wo tinye no could you believe where okuo na bi o me va ni man ni we marriage ni e man na gre wa wo tinye no yan ma ga obi e wo pa ibi e di to ya ya hin but just we in no na ke wo pa ni according to the story we no bia ka they say the woman e ga ni ana e kere so yan in final do afrede gbegeto that is ekoni ro gwodo no bia ni ona ya afrede there do you understand? Okay, I'll kick it na ana do me where ebi yala do open we okuo na thing is wrong in their head. Okay, thank you so much. A saga page. God bless you. God bless you. Obo. Do you understand? God bless you. So, do me we okoni omomono bia ni uwe obiene obia winyani uwe marriage order fon egani ya moe ni ado ya ve wo koni do bia ko order fon ya do ya we DNA we bia fera do me emeva wo omaga go bia ni obio omise nedima evana ga go obia winya ne no ga ti otin evana ehana ga go do so you know the man we are here working here with when we yes so here to chase okoju you people understand some men not fit talk to woman they not fit chase agbero ina so na bibia we baba na we accept okoni with the family dog but we we are working here no so as far we aso because Bible we tell we we okona feel where you are if your husband decided to take you back it's not abomination as far as more we the cleansing so the for that decide honor love you we yes so we wrong we love for we can minus we equal to so that is the fact yes so take the love you know we can no my expect but it cannot deny it all you want man we no ya so all you lawa yes so we wrong because of we equal chase oko then equal chase oko ni all we yan ke we sun in why we no ya so all we be lawa so that woman na no be no we no kind mo me fa Dubai or me ha no me na the man wa ma we problem ro we yan ri oko ona do pa o be no ya no be ko be we yan ni odo zo na obi e we yan no so pa kan do zo le di woman we e ko ri mo me ta mo wa na yes ma kan do zo no e di woman no do so na so that no poni me na egbe adi owa and number 2 no me na say and live na ibi ebe o wa you understand ona do na do so na o se me na ta we erinya ya we so we mo we ege ona na sinu me bi ati ege it said that case bi ati ria na o agbera Igodala primary school. Okay, it's all depend on the family. Even it all depend on the family. If we can do the sacrifice from her wife. Okay, thank you. So the man can still do the sacrifice for his wife. Okay, that I don't know. Because when we a donor or Lord, you understand? So ni me metana. So mommy princess is something that we always the pace no. Shameful people, a very big shameful people, married woman sleeping around. You understand? So maybe the pace of a no. So ni me Konania, Mero Wabegani, you understand? So I go dollar primary school, I even at we can have made back in Muzai Vegani. So Ediani, what you do the Edo College. Oh, you do the Edo College. Or maybe Raniaga stage, okay, say, Eviantie, Edia Raniaga stage, you understand? So, Edobe Asunu, you know, you are the married, the man of zone, you understand? So, Edobe Asunu, depend, maybe the best of the family, according to my sweetheart, princess, something that way, according to the family, you understand? So, I don't know. Or if permitted, that is, there are a mere women of a shade, hope you are the on Okain. A Bible man will condemn, Okoyagre, where Bible man condemn, you understand? Depends of that man. You know that female je bana yen wa tai owo bo kan me no bo kan me yen wa love iwe bo so lo ba gbe lo ni sunu yen riye awa wa yen riye igbe so waro awa wa because igbe so ro according to when my other female ya ta we okori yen riye yo wa ona me met ya lo ye ko biawe so there is yen na igbe lori e were gbe there is any of lori dey around there yen get trust any of lori around yen get trust working yen if his wife said she know they do and the husband still need the wife. Okay, you can still do a more comment this side. Oh mommy, Tessie, I greet you mommy, I greet you my beautiful mommy. So no, you understand? So according to this sister, it be like say no Benin culture where and the person of the way they drop the comment sister princess, it be like say she know the culture where you understand? So that is what I can say where maybe the way we know ya get sunu. You understand? Why some family they know they do again. They know they accept the sacrifice. Thank you. Do you understand? But person like my husband, oh what you working here to be in your what time or contact be aware and you like him so you don't tell the other way you mean ya walk on ya penny. Eti ma we good na ma be where you don't ba I want matter with you wa ma we don't ya feel where you are man I saw wa my garo or man no son no diowa boy what are you for here where do ya ba do ya lo okori do ya ba ga ime o do ya lo biave you understand? So it be so wrong number one be so ye gwa to soko ye gwa chezoko ye maybe na ya spin up o he I met you outside where babe I want you so it be biave already now definitely almost accepted the woman back it be so wrong out of love a love ni gele blind day a love ni gele wrong gele love okoni oh god vie be so wrong vie or love ni noko and the question ye wrong. Okay, let me choose first. That is, I love it. No, well, here you were. Oh, we no jena. Oh no, dear, what? Rute mo no biele ni. Especially, me so we robi agiege. Oh, don't hear the kuye ko command of yemo ba all those kind of things. Why you yani boutique many things? Or we consider the pace of individual of the man. Yes, or accept. Yes, or accept. So me yanta bana where erego accept where erego my negbe no. Yes, what the Bible way ta say where. Oh, when I feel where you have. If you have the spirit of forgiveness, you can forgive the man, the woman who will accept her back. So if you don't want to accept the woman back, it's not still a sin for the sight of God. It's the best of you. And that's why you get it. So so when you go Jenny, when you go wa Jenny, you go that's why your husband asked where you know do your so because when you me you go when you ya those kind of things why okay no so ya go die ke you ya meet up o na aga nya bia emi wo kan see o ya o see go die ke ibie so ro wa akon betemie wo bo ibie so waro o do afete mo no bie ibie so ro ere go we lock ogbe me mi gbo na wa gbe ne we bo na the fact is that imi we go na wa gbe ne we bo na Europe ni ma we pa je na imi obi gbo na wa gbe ne it dey like that I want to be gwa mi even me na kene wa igbo wa mi o ye ke we gbo wa mi igbo gwa mi you understand e bi to pa gwa mi yen Do you understand? So if you know you are tired of your husband, it's not by force. It's not by force. And when you go Nania, you go say a lot of things. When you go is a person that is very or watch you go man at a shame. You go to boy your wife shame. You go to boy a disgrace. Do you understand? You go to boy, you go a shame, you go a disgrace. You go man at a where a movement. Even the family and spirit God will they forbid or do get different things. Okay, so okay, so that is it. I was ashamed one day video manager go that when can you imagine? You go coming on live video. You know, the person when they look big, and that person when they bring the self down. Or do you on social media? Okay, I was ashamed. Oh, I agree to my one TV, I agree to my darling. So I was ashamed of Iyego. I was ashamed. Do you understand? Okay, see small boy when you go to Duduvaga now. This is the small boy that don't have shame. From Victor man that says shame. You're a shame. If there's other name to come from, it's gonna be a shame. From Victor man that says disgrace. If there's only other name, it's gonna be a disgrace. From Victor man, she don't know it. He don't know it. Sorry. Do you understand? You go and do yourself. So talk. Ha, Jego, Kikuyamuwe. Lagwa. If you don't see who tell you, I'm telling you today. Lagwa. When you are fake, but we go to be keep it is okay. You rush you weapon. But see here, where you want? What said you? You understand what one will be a canna? It was spent jo. Emani who are Viennoa. Emani who wanya Viennoa. You understand? What has spent jo? We what believe for that full way up there where you go your hand. A born way we be me hana. According to you. We believe what you do. I fear even why you can't fear vegan. No, you have to just to eat. I don't understand some of our women in this Europe. You have to just to eat. That man have been with you. Do you understand? Do you understand? You bear it. Oh, nene kia like what ya wahe waneti edezigbe anything what was if yakara any small thing what was yes yakara any small thing what yes yakara then we wa mature say no why gbagba say na okuo ba then we wa mature say na many years le webo when I think about the from the way like Betty or not when I buy from the we ba. Ah, Jego, those are the things. It's supported from Victor, eh? Those are the things. No, say, na me where if we were moving, and I'm you in that kabogu egua. Bolog with that. I want that bolog with that. Don't be stupid. Well, bolog with that. You are more than this. You are more than this. If be a car, what take away? Okay, what time you are a mountain bomb? I'm away. Be a car to where matter like why you you will say, eh, oh, you go the seller. I was ashamed. We go the seller, Frankie, you Yahweh. A 3 flat of boy, who you go. If we move where married woman, a Frankie will go away. I while I will to sit me away, or while I love man at a way. Only a zans where he when I did when I are vuvu, when I are moon a Frankie, a Frankie, you know, yeah, oh, and a Frankie, my with social media, tie waiting as you I may know one moon. What will I describe away? What will I describe away? You go. My son, women too like some women too like. Can you imagine? It's not even safe for the man. Abomination can lead to many distractions in a man's life. Yes, mommy Tessie. Can you imagine? A only to kill the man, to buy the man alone. Ekia Wahala. Only to buy the man alone or destroy. There are many ways. You understand? and obi okana na we obi okana na fito is obi okana we kenu weje na ha obi okana kere una we get the other phone we e bet no that phone when re odo Duduvaga we odo new wa go give e wo mari eri we o give e 1 2 3 jamai 1 2 3 bet we na kie gbe no that phone we ya didi ya kie gbe e de fito you no ri ya ku se ije go shame on you ekwe we mu me na kwa me na ekugwa mu me ekugwa mo bo wa mu me ni me na kwa me na. You understand? Because the family tak mo ya gba ene ko gira o bi agita me family na no ya gba e ma mo understand agbo ya gba family na ekwe mwe so when we want continue with na I know what boy we be carry to when most of children ni waro na 30 years 30 something years copy and paste yan working copy and paste yakin yan we copy owe yan we paste wa we ho ba ko away yo ko wa wo do na o bo we yan na mi yan so pick e bo we we let the social media we away yes we go me na we na but the family is wow the family might we na we we swear but we have to tell you that what you did you did the wrong thing. You did the wrong thing. Iye go we na atoro when ye conquer ye go ya we do mana me conquer when you dey go in Nigeria when we tolo dey conquer ye go to boy ya mere muhe nu akekere o dey ogi no je go to boy muhe we wa je go e mu no bia mu no ko ije go ame we fa Victor no wa you ya we ko here who in the Victor me we Victor you ezansa wa be na oga you know that we ni me u ame wo gwe ni egwa wo ne ame wo gwe na amwe fa Victor no ekita dame we na amwe na amujo enwe na amujo onu enwe ne fa Victor you know that na we ya wa amwe me we fa Victor mu we enwe bra re ne onye wo ni no ma na ka na ma no gwa kana ma mi egbiyan o we se jo o ni wa amwe fu ahia we brosare o ya suhe me wo gwe o shiyan to se ka tell me na we those are the women of muhena also nothing nota. I have said it. Jego, I did not hate you, but I hate what you did. You understand? You are a woman. You are a human being like me. You understand? I hate you. I hate him. No, it's very bad. Don't come to social media. I deba we. I can't deba we deba Victor of fear. Fear now. What come on? Only deba we deba from Victor. Ogbe kuyewo no ri gwe wa wo owe iye go wa we say o Victor wa we say ogbe kuyewo e Victor be de Victor ke wu we the social media no ogbe no ke wu e Victor ri atori akun no ri social media wa ne iye ri ara ri wa o ri ya wa agree to Stella o ri ya fefefe wa. It's very bad, my dear. Je go ge ku amu we lawa. When we can allow what Frankie can allow. When we can allow Frankie, it will allow. That's how we got back on or Mariabe, our war. You got back Mariabe. Just where you go now, you back because me no ya perere where it edited here or the phone no oh why perere or ga na kilo wishe. Me no ya perere bre where me mai. The from to ya perere bre we from it why ya perere here. Hey, I agree to my beautiful wife. I agree to my darling. Why are perere? And I mean, we just go my year. No gage. From to that book, lelo according to them. I'm not there. My government me jebali. My believe way. Bo me baro what not. Yet by the lepo ni mo to send me. O there working go sunu. Oro onion. O karu onion wa de bo ba. Ije wa de go wa gbekwa. O wa here because o karu onion. Because the live video no go na tege from to me na tege. Me ma tege me man of flick me kini gbe from to. Me matter my sister. Also me nata we bo. E life don't we na get from Victor. Me na me ge. Me matter me pa no here flick me gbe. Me ni na go bia ro wa. Ma wo bia gbaro. E mi hin na to age me pa kini from Victor we ere mi ere lo ke o dewo. Me age bia ni ke me te go bia no mo say. Me ma yite get bia mo say. Because e ko go to me fun me. I cannot see any other man. They go mo say they get mo say me ma rien. E kwa me fun me ije go e kwere go ma fu wo so ma ri epo nu pa wo se nu na ri epo nu pa e kwe we mo wa e ku gwe to mama iya ni call we when ya tie when ya do information no do ya la no do ya saga we ga gwe umiun we enyo we gen we wa do na iya ni wa call we hon ya we so wa call we abe na gba ene we bo ni akepa abe na gba ene na ime no na gi ko no gi la wa iya we ya wa be call we ni mama ya contributing ni do contribute give me down. You understand? Abe na gba ene we go be opakian ya ti do ya a godmother. You understand? A godmother ba no we well at do go social media agbaya ne we ni market e wo ni akepa emi e ko la ya gbe ne we ni akepa they can still come and be your bestie, you can be their godmother. Do you understand? But say do la do saga but I'm telling you the truth. Lawa ije go ya fi ke be many we TikTok e wa me we TikTok ya no we ko emu go wulawa ibi ugwe ma ye dege ni na vie ni we do na e mo we bia ma ye dege ni a ya san gbo ekebe lawa we be ga gbijo me so na yin no ma gba ba ya gbijo ma e na ba ya gbijo ma e to wa de so we pia o ije la wo lawa pe we mu me ugbe we ni ku gbe e. You understand? Iya gbo lawa nu lawa amari ma we to wa de sa pia no ije go ekwewe omu ime no ja wi me na ya we ekwewe mu me la gogo je nlawa ebi a lanu ko top wakara ije go gbukmo yakara iye go gbukmo yakara nu lawa Fravito la gogo nu ya this grace ku orima the social media e no gba lenu ya fully ku orima the social media e no gba Fravito lenu ya hobi ya mu ya jaka e boke bonu ri alo according to ya we iye bo we bolo ni e clear yin e gi lu ebo ni ko ni ro godo ana gele mi we bolo e gi lu ebo ni ya ipi lu ebi lo bi e ti yan fian wu iya wa fian wu o bi lo ebi lo bi ya lo bi ke amere ipi abi lo ti yan fian wu e gi lu ebo ni ikwere no ro godo we di je go wa we ke de sana we ke lu ebi lo bi e ko me bi wa yi lu e na de umami la le kenwa ti die edete e wona mi wa gba edete we la no ne bo ena ne na se bibi aleke igwa wa muvia igwi wa le Fravito igwe oh that is working la mo mi ima ye get o se na tawe imajaji get bono wa agun le gbigbe meme and when we tell la dem no Fravito no mewe igwa ge demios si opa no la dem no Fravito eruwe ko ninu ko wa puto eruwe gbedi eruwe on your head to flick me a the head water we say no God forbid where God forbid bad thing she go la ho la wa so re ta sebe ogo tana baba ne when it says about agege ba o re no awe ko la wa hian la mo de na la we e ya se de na so ye go la wo my sister enter house by TikTok ire according to me ehon ban ya wo so ge atiti owo da fun we yan we gbe we no da fun we yan we gbe na we le gbe ari ogwa e ke igi na what to him we yan to aho we ye go iya mu we